All right, folks, it's a new day and we got a new OpenClaw update 3.11. Now,
Yes.
you know the drill. With this series of videos, we update you guys on what is just the latest updates here, what you need to pay attention to, what's broken, and what we generally find useful.
Yeah.
All right, so one big reason why you should update right now is they did deploy a major security risk with browsers. So there was a way to find, just some people found a way to hijack browsers.
Yeah, unauthorized access in certain proxy setups.
Yeah.
So that's pretty dangerous.
Yeah. So that's why you should definitely upgrade right away. I think this is a pretty big update. Like, yet again, if it gains full access to OpenClaw, you have no idea what these hackers can do with your system. So number one. Number two, this is actually quite interesting. We were just on memory.
Yes.
Yeah, so we just made a video on memory. This is multimodal memory. So how memory works in OpenClaw is that it tends to embed into a vector store, and this is the new one. This is Gemini embedding 2 preview. So again, this is very, very frontier stuff.
Yeah.
But what it can do is it can save images as memory. So I think you gave a good example about Pepsi.
Yeah.
Right? So you can actually literally now take a picture of Pepsi.
Pepsi.
And it remember.
Yeah, I think this would be very applicable for work setups that you have screenshots that you need as a template. So personally for me, I trade, so I need screenshots of a setup because I notice even it with text, it can index and search properly with memory on my trading system. But I feel like when I built it out with PineScript and then show me the get the agent to build that indicator to show me that it's actually the same way that I traded, it's not there.
Right.
But
So
with
TLDR, I have to say this TLDR.
Yeah.
Now you can semantically search it. When did I win on every trade? And you go boom, 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 boom. Now you have all your wins there, right? Because the way semantic search works, and you were talking about this in a previous video, and we'll link that up down below.
Yeah.
But semantic search, it can be fuzzy, so you can say, oh, when did I make money? And then because it has a memory of like the big green arrows, it'll be like, yeah, here's a green arrow. So you don't have to say, oh, find every green arrow. You can just say, when did trades work? And then it'll remember. So OpenClaw it's using really, really frontier tech, but essentially converting images into embeddings and fitting that into its embedded memory. Just a quick note to that, you do have to be on the not OpenAI, you have to be on Gemini plans to make this work. So you have to use Gemini embeddings preview too. So you have to add a Gemini key there to make this work. Yet again, you can ask your bot how to set it up, etc. But it does require setup. This is not something that's like working out of the box. Same with audio indexing. So if you have long, meaningful conversations, it'll remember.
Or for musicians,
For musicians,
Right, master jams.
Exactly. So I think this is really, really a big feature for people who want to experiment with something new and make images stuff. This is also good, our Llama first class setup. So if you are running models locally, so after I made the video, I realized a lot of you guys like to run things locally. We have a tutorial on LM Studio, and you can use like Quinn models or whatnot. They're not the best, but if you want to run a local model and you want to run it, and it's gonna be a slight improvement for you. But yet again, I think on our channel we don't usually use local models that much. I think like we just use the best.
Yeah, VPS.
We use the best. We still use Ron's using Minimax and I'm using the Opus models on that. So we're burning money, so you can get the benefit. There's also a sneaky update as well here. Okay, iOS improvements. You guys use iOS, it's gonna look cooler. It doesn't really. Developer features, ACP got improved, so that's in workflow. But I just want to mention this very, very quickly. Discord improvements here, but this is interesting because there's two new stealth models, 2 free stealth models that are being added. So if you guys want to save some money, OpenRouter has some really hot models. If you see the newest ones, there's one called Hunter Alpha and Healer Alpha. Hunter Alpha literally has 1 million contexts.
Oh my God. It's free, right?
It's free. Yes. So this has been added to your OpenClaw. So technically speaking, you can go on your OpenClaw and select these two models now that you're updated. So yeah, if you want to play with that, that's gonna be fun. By the way, since we're talking about this already, our recommendation for updating your OpenClaw has always been to just go on terminal and OpenClaw update. You can ask your bot to update it, but we've generally found that sometimes you get some breaking changes and notifications during this upgrade process, which you should technically look at. Like, say, for example, our Telegram policy is a little bit weird. So doing it manually does help you with some problems. But yeah, this is already updated. So yeah, so you can actually test these out, and 1 million contexts for free.
Yeah, they're really showing up for the local setups, huh?
No, this is not local. This is actually remote. You don't have to hold this. This is completely free for remote. 1 million contacts, so you can fit the whole entire Lord of the Rings. So your life story can be Lord of the Rings, and it'll still work. The latency on this is good. So there was a lot of discussion of who made these models. Yet again, we're guessing some Chinese developers made these models. But what we're seeing here is that these models are actually explicitly focused for OpenClaw. So they actually mention like, oh, this is for really good for OpenClaw.
Yeah.
You know, so it's definitely worth a try. It's available on OpenRouter and it's for free. So even if you don't have credit on OpenRouter, you can just like get an API key from OpenRouter and then just try out OpenRouter/Hunter Alpha. So you can just put that in and tell your bot to try it out and test how it goes. So early reports are that it's not super good. So what I'm guessing is that these models are optimized, like stealthily optimized for OpenClaw agentic use, but they're still not state of the art. They're just, we'll give you, if you guys want free, you guys can get more free. All right. So and the latest on this is it's gonna be free for around a week until it gets announced as something real model. So we don't know what it is yet, but it's just like go test it out, and then very likely, I think in a week's time, we're gonna make a video of like the grand reveal of what is Healer and Hunter Alpha. So that's kind of what's exciting on the support. So yeah, TLDR, big update that you need to pay attention to: security. Memory, if you want to try out memory embeddings with Gemini, you get, if you're all Llama, you have easier setup, and then you have macOS some fixes and Telegram fixes there. And actually Discord, if you use Discord channels, there's actually a quick fix that they have with thread management. So you know how we have a lot of chats here. Let me just quickly make sure that the chat is okay. Yeah, we have many threads for this. So it's got a little bit better management for that.
Okay.
Yeah, not too much. But all right, guys, that's kind of it for this update. I just want to give you guys a quick overview as well. So we made a website explicitly for you guys. It's called BoxminingAI.com. It looks like Windows 95, but what we do here is it's all about OpenClaw. So if you look at updates, it'll have all the latest OpenClaw update videos, including this one, once it's launched. We also have some kind of interesting stuff like case studies of how you can use your OpenClaw, like track food with OpenClaw if you want to do that. And then we have the memory videos, which are coming soon. We'll put it here, but the memory videos are how to optimize your OpenClaw. So it's kind of like a fun and easy way to navigate through watching our videos on this website. And this is a comparison of which models you use. And we'll make the new Hunter and Healer ones here. And if you join now, so basically you just have you just get a magic link while with signing up. But if you join now, you get locked in for our lifetime free access as well. So yeah, again, this is just like a fun project we want to just give to you guys, and we'll put more courses and package this all together. And since now, if you want to, log in, you get everything for free. So why not? With that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We want to be fast and under 10 minutes, and we are. So see you guys. Bye.
Shout it out.